Hi, hello, namaste, adab.
I'm Lasya.
I'm Tejashri. We are from 9th grade.
International news. Scientists warn of oxygen is disappearing at an alarming rate in oceans, rivers, and lakes, posing severe threats to aquatic ecosystems. Astronomers detected erythrulose, a sugar commonly found in raspberries, in a gas and dust cloud near the center of the Milky Way.
National news. School enrollment rises to nearly 25 crore across India as per U-DISE 2025 to 2026 data. National Security Advisor Ajit Doval selected for prestigious Lokmanya Tilak National Award. Police blocked thousands of cockroach protesters marching on India's parliament demanding Narendra resignation.
AP State News. Andhra Pradesh to set up registration Seva Kendras for easier property registration. PM Narendra Modi to inaugurate Bhogapuram International Airport on August 1st.
Sports news. India has officially named a 125-member squad for the upcoming Commonwealth Games in Glasgow, Scotland.
Thought of the day. Don't watch the clock, just do what it does. Keep going.
Today's GK question. Do you know, friend, what is the capital city of Maharashtra state? The answer is Mumbai. That's all for today's bulletin. Thank you.
Please like, share, subscribe to our NT School YouTube channel.